Harry Janzen Award, Saskatchewan region. Danette Bergquist is a dedicated realtor with eXp Realty, committed to delivering top-tier service and results for her clients. As a proud member of both the AAC, Agent Advisory Council, CAAC, Canadian Agent Advisory Council, and Social Committee at eXp Realty, she's constantly striving to grow and refine her skills. Last year, she reignited her passion for learning by attending several high-level real estate events in the U.S., gaining fresh insights to better serve buyers and sellers. Michelle Buck is a real estate agent with RE/MAX North Country in Rosetown, with 3 years of experience in the industry. After a successful management career, she moved to Saskatchewan and transitioned into real estate, where her management skills have proven invaluable in coordinating real estate transactions. Michelle is deeply committed to her clients, ensuring their needs are met while also sharing her passion for the community. She loves introducing new homeowners to the opportunities and features of their new hometown. Beyond her professional life, Michelle is a strong advocate for small businesses and community initiatives. Megan Sands is a mom to 3 wonderful teenagers and wife to Jason Sands. Originally from the UK, she immigrated to Canada in 1999 and has called Saskatchewan home ever since. With a strong background in renovations, new construction, cabinetry, and home design, Megan's passion for homes and working with people naturally led her to real estate. In June 2021, she became a realtor, turning her years of industry experience into a career dedicated to helping clients find not just a house, but a home. Now with eXp Realty, Megan takes pride in truly understanding her clients' needs and ensuring a seamless experience.